Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to do the piano part for Je te laisserai des mots. Sorry if I've not said that or pronounced that right. It's by Patrick Watson. So I'm just going to do the piano part today. With it being in French, I don't feel comfortable singing, but I'll go over every single piano part, and it's all just based around chords, so I'll try and link the full chords and lyrics down below. I'll do my best with the French, with the chords above the French words. So we'll look at the intro. So I'll teach both hands at the same time, again with it being really chord based. So here is middle C as a reference. So I'm not playing that high up, we're staying quite mid. And it's in the key of D major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D major. So the chords are mostly formed using those notes. So I guess we'll call it the intro. It goes G and then G and B twice. It's in 3 time. And then you play D, G and B twice. And you do that 4 times. And you sing. So when he's doing just like the humming. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we've got this. So here we have B, and then we specifically have second inversion of B minor, so that's F sharp, B and D. So it goes left, right, right, and then it comes down to A. I'm hearing an A adds 2, but so I'm playing A, and then E, A, and C sharp is A major, second inversion. But I'm pretty sure there's a B there instead, so you could play either if you wanted to play the B there. It sounds nice either way. And then we have this G, and then B and D again. Twice, and then we've got this like walk up. So after you've played the G, then you're going to play G, A and G and B. It's quite subtle in the song, and then A sharp, and then it starts again from the B minor. So I'll do that again, so from B minor, add 2, G major, together, repeat it again, one more time. But the third time you don't do that walk up in the left hand, you just play the G chord, left, right, right. You just do that twice instead. And then we just have so that bit goes D, and then root position of D major, so it's D, F sharp and A, and then A, chord again, F sharp, and then we have F sharp, second inversion, so it's C sharp, F sharp and A sharp, and then you move everything up by a semitone, so we have G, and then second inversion of G major, D, B, and B, no, D, G and B. So I'll just do that little bit again, so the D major, A, F sharp major, G major. So I'll play the whole, I guess you could call it the intro, from the beginning, so from the Gs. I know I accidentally pressed an extra note somewhere in there. Now we're into this part. And then there's like loads of strings happening and stuff over the top of it, but obviously we're just doing the piano part. You are going to need to do an octave stretch, but I'll give you an alternative if you can't quite stretch octaves. So I'm going to teach this part hands separately actually, because both hands are doing something chord based. So the right hand's going to play, well, it's based around a B-7 chord. So it's B, D, F sharp and A. So you're going to play your outer notes, your two inner notes, that's the pattern. So 1 and 2 and 3 and then you're going to move your thumb to A. So now we have octaves, and you're going to change your 2 to a C sharp and do the same pattern. You can use your 4 if you feel comfortable. So if you can't stretch octaves, you're just going to have to miss this A out and just play. So this forms first inversion of F sharp minor. If you play it like this, that is second inversion of F sharp minor. So far we have, so the B-7, move it to A, and then you're going to basically go back to the B-7 position again, 2 times, but the left hand changes. So with the left hand part, we have a B minor chord, so you're going to play B and then D and F sharp, and then you're going to play A, C sharp and F sharp, and then we have G, D and F sharp, and then again. So do it again for the B minor. So we've got B, use whichever fingers you feel comfortable using, F sharp minor, G, what would help is if you just played all the chords together at the same time. So we've got B-7, F sharp minor over A, because there's an A at the bottom. This is G major 9. G major 9. So this is a G major 7, and we're adding the 9 in there, so it makes it G major 9. And then once you're comfortable with the actual chords, playing them at the same time, and then you can start to break it up and put it hands together with the correct rhythm. So in terms of the rhythm, it's always together, right, together, right, together, right. Together, right, together, right, together, right. And it changes. So together, right, together, right, together, right. And it changes again. Together, right, together, right, together, right. And then start again. So basically you do that 3 times. So again, slow the video down even more if you need to, but remember together, right, together, right, together, right, and that's how it fits together. So I'll play it a bit quicker now. So the right hand, again, I'll just do the right hand first. So you're going to kind of play A's. Again, if you can't stretch the octaves, play that instead. So you're not compromising the harmony, you're just making it sound slightly less full without that A in there. You do that for another bar. And then it comes up. So we've got F sharp major, first inversion, so it's A sharp, C sharp, F sharp and F sharp. So out, in, out, in, out, in. And then move it all up a semitone to G major first inversion. Out, in, out, in, out, in. So that bit goes. A little bit strenuous on the hands, again, just miss out the lower note if you can't quite reach it. And the left hand with that, if you want to be accurate, it's going D, A and F sharp, D, A, F sharp, or you can just play D, A, D if you want to be slightly easier. And then we have F sharp, C sharp and F sharp, move it up a semitone to G, D, G. So we've got so I'll just fit that last bit together now then. So from the D's. And then a little bit on the end, so we're going back to just playing these just straightforward chords now. So we have B and then B minor, B, D and F sharp, A major root position, so A, C sharp and E, and then G major root position, G, B, D, and then you do that again, G chord, and then a single A in the left hand, and then you just play a D major root position, so a bit lower down, past middle C, and then F sharp major root position as well. Let's do that last bit again, so after the broken up part, so we've got the B, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I guess you could call that the first half, and then it almost repeats again from the beginning. So you've got this again, so we've got the G. This is when the French vocals come in, so again, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna sing it. Then we have this chord progression again, but 4 times this time, and on the 4th time you don't have that. So you only do that bit on the first 3 goes, so like this. And then we've got almost this part again. Again, it's slightly longer. If you want to be, again, really accurate, we just have a D and then an F sharp, and then A, D major chord, F sharp, it's in root position this time, so F sharp, A sharp and C sharp, G. And then we go back to playing the D with the chord, A, F sharp, G, G, D And then, so nothing really new so far, and then it's back into this again. Nope, this. But you do that 6 times. 6 times, so. Got this D to F sharp major again. And that's how it ends. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.